I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we have 80 seconds to do a fade in or fade out with your audio in Premiere Pro. So let's rock and roll. Let's drag and drop from the folder a video file, creating a sequence there. If you click on this video here, you will go down to your effects controls, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see audio. Let's just scroll down a little bit on the timeline and create a keyframe on the levels, that is the volume. I'm also going to create a keyframe towards the end, that way we have a fade in and a fade out. Now I scrolled down to the very beginning of the timeline, and I'm just going to go and drag this number all the way. I'm going to do the same thing for the very end of the video. Now when you play, you'll have your fade in and fade out of the audio. I've been Eric Polley, you've been you, keep doing that, and I'll see you on the next video.